Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be giving off a few Sub-8 Skewb example solves. This will help in being Sub-8 and help getting faster if you're already Sub-8. So let's straight away get into it. Green front, white top. This is a scramble. Alright, so for our first layer, I think yellow is pretty good. We can insert this corner with that, and this corner is just a simple U-move. Then I personally use the Sarah's intermediate method, which is good for being Sub-8, Sub-10, and how fast can you become it with it? Luke Garrett is Sub-4 on Skewb with it. So we can do a simple U-perm to get this edge in and solve the top layer. And we have a U-perm to finish off. On to the next one. Alright, nothing really looks good here except for maybe red. So we can easily insert in this corner with a simple U-move, solving this corner like that, and insert in that one. Then we have this case where you have this L and the center here, which goes like sledgehammer, rotate, head slammer, and we have a simple U-perm to finish off. That is why what you just saw there is why Skewb is my least favorite event. On to the next one. Alright, white looks quite good here. So we can easily insert in this corner like that, but instead of normally doing it like that, using this or this way gives easier access to solving this corner with an RU, R prime, U prime. Then this case is a pretty easy upper face solving case. It's just the two sledgehammers one and a U-perm. But in this case, we don't want to rotate and have to do the U-perm. Instead, to do it from this angle and not using a rotation in your U-perm, you could do this. That is what I use a lot, and I try to balance that algorithm and the normal U-perm that goes like that. On to the next one. Alright, green looks decent. So using these finger tricks while doing moves with your pointer fingers, we can insert in this green piece and this other green corner like that. While once you have your last three moves, try to start looking ahead for what your top layer case will be. It will help a lot in becoming faster. And we have this case and an L4C skip. And here is the final one. Very interesting. let's go for orange. We can easily one move layer, and we got a pretty good case here. Why we shouldn't do green is that for this, if we do green, we'll have to rotate. If we do orange, if like that, we don't have to rotate. So we can do a U-perm to solve the top layer, and another U-perm, the one I showed you earlier, like that, to finish it off. Now I'm gonna do a random Skewb solve, because why not? Okay, does not look like a great scramble. Let's not talk about what time I got. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost there to 200 subscribers, just 10 away. Make sure to like and stop making my cubes disappear for once. Goodbye and see you in the next video.